फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं सुधा झा। मेरा प्रोफेशन है टीचिंग। फॉर लास्ट 22 ईयर्स मैं इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़ा रही हूँ बच्चों को। तो चलिए मैं और आप इकोनॉमिक्स की जर्नी की तरफ आगे बढ़ते हैं। I'm going to start the topic, beta. Number of students. Now just see, we were reading the story of village Palampur, and we have read about why this village is known as hypothetical village. We have written this topic, organization of production. We have written land is fixed in nature. Then we have read about is there a way one can grow more from the same land? Then today we are going to read. This was on homework I have given. Correct. Will the land sustain? This topic I'll take. Before this, I want to move for this topic, the capital. Just see here, beta. I'm moving with these all things. Okay, capital needed in farming. Okay, before that, today come on. Today I'll take this topic. Tomorrow the previous one. Actually, I didn't see the book there. The capital needed in farming. Beta, the question comes in the mind how the people of the village Palampur manage the capital. Capital means the money which they need for farming. They need money because they want to buy the seeds, they want to buy the manures, they want to buy the fertilizer, they want to buy the tractor. Correct? So all these things need money. There are three types of farmers you studied: large scale farmers or the landlords, small farmers or the medium farmer. Correct? When I speak about the large farmers, they are the landlords. They have a big amount of land with them. They are the one who are providing the work to the landless laborers. So they pay money to the landless laborers. But when I'm speaking about the middle farmers, these are those farmers who anyhow are able to grow crops and meet their two times need. But anything extra, if they want, for example, to buy the clothes, or they want the child should be sent to the schools or books or the other things what the child needs, they can't fulfill. If someone is sick, they need the money to buy medicine, they'll not have that. Correct? And small farmers less than 1 hectare of land, they have very less amount of the money with them that they can't even meet their two times basic requirement. That is food also, they can't get two times meal in a day. So naturally they depend on money lenders or the traders. Now let us study one by one how they manage it. Just I'm moving with the small farmers. Just see here, I'm highlighting this particular point. Just see, I'm teaching you here. Just see the highlighted text. Most small farmers have to borrow money because they are very small farmers, less than 2 hectares of land, to borrow money to arrange for the capital. They need capital or the money because they want to buy the raw materials, the seed, okay, the manure, the fertilizer, the tools, etc. So from where do they manage? So they borrow from large farmers, those who are landlords, because they have too much of land with them, or the village money lenders, or someone whose work is only to lend money, or the traders. Traders means those people, those who supply them the seed, the fertilizer, the manure, so that they can utilize it for the cultivation. The rate of interest what these large farmers or the money lenders or the traders take, the interest rate is very high, and they put to great distress because now they can't even pay the interest, how they will pay the loan amount. Correct? So Keshav, I said use earphone or headphone beta. And if you're using computer or laptop, the voice will be very clear. Now, just one example I'm giving. Savita is a very small farmer. She plans to cultivate wheat on her 1 hectare of land. How much amount of the land she's having? 1 hectare of land. Now, she wants to cultivate wheat. So, wheat means only seeds? No. Besides seeds, fertilizer and pesticides, which are very important, she needs cash. Why she needs cash? Because she needs to buy water. She's not having a well or a lake passing through, so she can't cultivate her land. So she has to buy the water and repair her farm instruments, the instrument which are used in farm. So that also she needs to repair. And she had repairing means we have to pay money. She estimates that the working capital, because this is a capital which she needs every year before sowing of the seeds, itself would cost a minimum of rupees 3,000. She's not having money. So naturally, what she'll do? She'll go for borrowing. She'll go to borrow. From whom she is going to borrow? Large farmer. The name of one large farmer in the village is Tejpal Singh. The name of one large farmer is Tejpal Singh. Now, Tejpal Singh, he agrees to give Savita the loan. But you know the interest rate? 24% for 4 months. She has to repay back after 4 months. Once the crop is ready for harvesting, after that she has to repay. That is why only 4 months it is written. Correct? So it is 24% for 4 months, very high interest rate. She said that she will work on her own field and she will work as a farm laborer during the harvest season on the land of this Tejpal Singh. And Tejpal said, I will pay you only rupees 35. And you know, this 35 rupees is very, very less. Is the voice now clear? Please type fast. Is the voice now clear? Yes, so now the voice is clear. Ishaq, now the voice is clear? Yes, okay. So I'll be teaching like this. So Savita goes to take loan from the large farmer in the village, and one of the large farmer, his name is Tejpal Singh, he agrees to give her loan. But he agrees to give the loan only for 4 months. Why only 4 months? Because from sowing of the seed till the harvesting, they feel everything will be over and she can sell some part of the crop in the market also. So he says, I am ready to give you loan, but my interest rate will be 24% for 4 months. It means 1/4. 3,000 ka 1/4. 3,000 divided by 4. 4 sevens are 28, 20, 750 rupees interest. It means after 4 months, she has to return 3,750 rupees. Correct? And plus that, they said that you have to work on my farm also, Tejpal Singh's farm. She said, okay, during harvest season, I'll work on your farm. And that particular time, you know, the money they are paying to her per day is 35 rupees, which is very less. But you know why she has agreed? Because there is no other option. The wage is very low. If that particular time the government of India might be giving 100 rupees, she is getting only 35. But there is no other option because she has taken money from him and she has to work there. You know, one more thing is here. Savita has to do too much of work. She has to work hard on her land early in the morning and then she has to work as a farm laborer for Tejpal Singh. To work every day. One is on her own land, she'll be working very hard till harvesting. And then every day, the second part, she will be working as a farm laborer for Tejpal Singh. Means before 10 o'clock, she has to work. Ma'am, in my book, it is written as rupees 100 per day. Beta, this is ENCRT, what I have downloaded it. If in your book it is written 100, we will be finding the latest one, but this is new ENCRT. If it is written 100, we will go for changing that. Okay. If it is written 100, because nowadays we are paying 250 rupees wages. Is it less or no? Keshav, it is 115. Okay, beta, this problem we will be sorting out once the school reopens. Keep this point in mind that we have to discuss about this from the miss. Okay, beta, so you'll be asking such questions to me. Whatever it is written, we are just moving, but it is very low. At present, it is, at present it is 250 rupees per day. 250 में अगर हम 100 pay करें, still it is in loss. Keshav Kumar, you see the reprint of your ENCRT book. And Soham also. Soham, Vineet and Arunim. Because we'll see reprint जिसका सबसे late होगा उसी के book को हम follow करेंगे. Now see, the harvest time is very busy for whom? Savita. As she is the mother of 3 children, she has lot of household. Vineet book is 2019. Keshav, month also you will write, beta, month also. So she has to cook food for these 3 children. Vineet, February 2019. Keshav Kumar. Arunim, February, okay, that is why it is 100. Keshav Kumar, in his book, it is written 115. December 2018. So I will not read December 2018. I will be seeing this January or February 2019. We will move with 100 rupees. I'll move with 100 rupees. I won't take 115. Am I clear? सबसे लेट में रीप्रिंट February 2019 का है तो हम उसको लेके चलेंगे 100 rupees. Okay, okay everyone. Keshav. So she has to cook food for all these 3 children and do so much other work. Savita agrees to this tough condition and she knows very difficult for her to get a loan. And anyhow, she has taken the loan and she has to listen to the large farmer. Okay. In contrast to the small farmers, now see the medium and large farmers. I'm coming to medium and large farmers. Just I'm highlighting this text. See, the medium and large farmers have their own savings from farming. So they can arrange their capital. They need not to borrow. Because whatever they need, they can use it and the extra amount is saved by them. Correct? So this is how capital they are managing. Just see here, 3 factors of production: land, labor, and capital. How they are used in farming. Just see here. Just will go with. Among the 3 factors of production, we found that labor is the most abundant factor of production. Very important, least we bother about him. Because there are so many people to work. So they are giving them less. अगर मैं काम नहीं करूंगी तो वहां 150 और लेबर है, कोई ना कोई तो मेरी जगह आई जाएगा काम करने, इसीलिए लोग कम में काम कर लेते हैं. Labor is the most abundant factor of production. There are many people who are willing to work as farm laborers because 150 families where the opportunity to work are limited. Labors are many labors are there and opportunity to work is limited. They either belong to, see, they belong to either landless families or small farmers. What should be here? Small farmers. I'm trying to write in the dash, but I hope so. Very difficult for me to write in this dash. I'm trying. Okay. Okay, it will be next day. Next day I'll learn. Something I have to learn. Okay. Leave it, bit. It will take time and the time is less. Okay. Now just see. You remember here, They belong to either landless families or small farmers. They are paid low wages, naturally, and they lead a difficult life. So, if a question comes, why the farm laborers are willing to work at such a low cost, the answer should be in 2 points. Number one, there are many people who are willing to work at that rate. So, if the particular person doesn't work, other person will come and do the work because they feel kuch nahi se kuch acha hai. Second, because we have many farm laborers in the villages. Second is the opportunity of work is limited. There is only one work, that is farm laborers. They don't have any other option. If there would have been a brick making company, they would have joined there. They would have got some other work. But in this particular village, there is only one work. In contrast to labor, dash is a scare factor of production. Scarce means very limited. Kya hai limited? Land. Land is a scare factor of production. Cultivated land area is very less. Moreover, even the existing land, the land which is for cultivation at present, which is existing, is distributed dash among the people engaged in farming. It is distributed unequally. There are a large number of small farmers who cultivate small plots of land. Small farmers हैं तो छोटा छोटा plot होगा, and they live in conditions which is not better than the landless farm laborers. Because some of the people, they have very small, like your one room land, so they can't produce. So it means they are also equal to the landless farm laborers, so they can't meet their daily needs. To make the maximum use of the existing land, farmers use multiple cropping and modern technique of farming. Should be multiple cropping and modern technique of farming. Both these have led to increase in the production of crops. Correct? Just see here. Modern farming methods require a great deal of dash, great deal of capital. पैसा ज़्यादा लगता है क्यों? Tractor, thresher, harvester. We are using these tube wells, so it needs a great deal of capital. Small farmers usually need to borrow money to arrange their capital, and they are put to great distress to repay the loan. Distress means their intention, how to repay back the loan. Therefore, capital is also a scarce factor of production for the small farmers or the landless farmers. Keshav has written in the new NCERT book, it is given that minimum wages of the farmers set by the government in March 2017 was of rupees 300 for the farmers. Maybe beta, if it is written, then it will be correct only. We will verify these things, what is written in one book and what is written in the other one. We'll verify, Keshav, don't worry. Okay, beta. And thank you for sharing such information. Though both land and capital are scarce, there is a difference between the two factors of production. Dash is a natural source. Answer should be land. Correct? Vinith is asking me the sixth blank. Let me see sixth. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Modern technique of farming. Vinith, modern technique of farming. MODERN, modern. TECHNIQUE. Okay, and first one I said, they belong to either landless families or small farmers. After that I said, great deal of capital. Here the cursor where I've kept capital. So small farmers usually need to borrow money to arrange for the capital, and they are in stress because they have to pay more. Correct? Therefore, capital is also scarce. Now see here, though both land and capital are scarce, both are scarce. पैसा भी कम है, land भी कम है, दोनों को देखना. There is a difference between the two factors of production. Dash is a natural resource. Here, land. And here is capital is man-made. Capital is man-made. So the fifth one here you will write multiple cropping. So multiple cropping. Yes. Now it is possible to increase capital. If we do more work, we will earn more money. We can increase. Whereas land is fixed. Land of a country, a village, a town, a city cannot be increased. Land of one individual person can increase when we go on buying others' land. Therefore, it is very important that we take care of land and other natural resources which are used in farming. Now, see, I'm coming back to this part which we have not done. That day we have done this. I'll take one more topic here. Here, when I said is a one, we have taken that day two questions here. Correct. Farming in village Palampur, and the second is we went with this two ways, multiple cropping and modern method of farming. Now, see, you have studied about two types of the crops or the season we say. So, Kharif and Rabi. Correct. In Kharif, that is the rainy seasons, they grow jwar and bajra, whereas when I'm coming to Rabi, especially it is in the winter season, we go with wheat. Now, when farmers produce wheat, they keep some amount of the wheat for themselves because they need for the whole year to consume. But they know that after keeping some amount with them, the extra amount they have is known as surplus. Surplus is actually प्रोडक्शन माइनस कंजप्शन. कितना आपने प्रोड्यूस किया, कितना आप अपनी फैमिली के लिए कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं. एक्स्ट्रा जो बच गया उसको हम सरप्लस बोलते हैं. जैसे प्रॉफिट क्या होता है, एसपी माइनस सीपी. Surplus is equal to production minus consumption. So surplus they are selling at Raiganj, so they get money because they have to buy clothes, they have to buy medicines, they have to buy other things which are not grown in the farm. A part of the land area they are giving for sugarcane also. कि भाई थोड़ा गन्ना भी उग जाए. Correct? And sugarcane is raw material because it is used by the people who convert this as jaggery. And jaggery is sold to the traders in Shahpur. So it means three crops they are having, Rabi, Kharif, and in between sugarcane. Correct? So three crops means it is multiple cropping. And it is electricity is 24 hours available to them. They are using the tube wells. Correct? They are using the tube wells to irrigate the land. Here it is written, people saw that the electric run tube wells could irrigate much larger areas of land. Now, you know, when the tube wells were installed by the government in the starting, at present we have to buy. So by my 1970s, they started cultivating 2 hectares of land. It was irrigated with the help of tube wells. All villages in the India don't have high level of irrigation, especially the tube wells. This I told you. Riverine plains I explained you, क्योंकि यहाँ पे पानी हमेशा अवेलेबल है. ये रिवर के साइड वाले प्लेन्स को हम बोलते हैं riverine plains, coastal regions where we get water, they get irrigated. But in plateaus and all region we don't get water. So 40% we say the total cultivated area in the country, a little less than 40%. आज भी हम अगर irrigation देखें तो 40% से कम area में हम irrigate करते हैं. So to grow more than one crop on a piece of land during the year, we call it as multiple cropping. ये मैंने आपको दिखाया था. And when I move with modern technique of farming, it means I'm growing more than that. So they are growing these many crops. So see here. We studied about multiple cropping, but just now I gave the answer. The other way to use is modern farming method. Now, what is modern farming method? So yield, I said you that day, yield is measured as a crop produced on a given piece of land during a single season. And modern farming, what they do is they produce the same things, but they are not using this old methods. All these things are made in machines. HYV seeds, chemical fertilizer, chemical manures, they are not using the natural manures of fertilizer. Why we went for this? Because we started introducing green revolution in India in 1960s, late 1960s. क्योंकि 67 68 में हमने green revolution अपनी country में ला दिया था. And we went for cultivation of wheat and rice in some of the selected states like Punjab and Haryana for wheat, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh for rice. But in rice, the production didn't increase to that much required level. But when we speak about the wheat, we have that much of the wheat which has been produced. So HYVCs, they produce more, but they need more of water. Even chemical fertilizer and pesticides. This that day I have shown you the picture here. Again, I'm showing you this picture. Just see. The picture is very clear now. HYV seeds we use, fertilizer we use, pesticides, dams, irrigations, canals, machinery, and diesel. I've shown you this picture that day also. Still, I'm showing you again back. Okay. So this is what the difference between multiple cropping and modern cropping. So in modern cropping now, in modern farming method, now we are going with multiple cropping also. बहुत सारे crop grow करते हैं, लेकिन इन चीजों को use करके, which are most of the things are made in the factories. Your activity, this you have to do in your class for copy making the table. You write the name of the crop, in which month it is sown and which month it is harvested. अभी गेहूं कटा है, न्यूज में सुन रहे हो कि किसानों को नुकसान हो गया. Source of irrigation, whether it was rain, tank, tubers, etc. So at least 3 crops you will be writing. This chart you will make in your SST register, whichever register you have. The old one if you are using, use the old one, no problem. Correct? So this thing I have taught you that day. In the old method, when I was using multiple cropping, people were able to produce 1300 kg per hectare. But when I am moving with modern technique of farming, HYV seeds and chemical fertilizer, chemical pesticide, just see I'm producing 3200 kg per hectare. Nearly 3 times. Nearly 3 times. 13 into 3, 39 होता है यार. 3200 दिया. Nearly. इससे मैंने word use किया nearly. It means large increase in the production. So farmers started using this. Why? Because they have surplus amount left with them. The production minus consumption बड़ा आएगा surplus, तो वो बेचेंगे ज़्यादा. When they sell too much in the market, they will have large amount of money. It means capital will increase. So now this question will be very clear. The difference between the multiple cropping and modern farming method, you will draw a line and write the difference. I'll see if I get the time, I'll be giving you, because you have to learn to write also. This table is showing the production of wheat and pulses in India after Green Revolution. We have to show on the screen, correct? What is working capital required by the farmer using modern? Modern में भी बेटा HYV seeds के लिए working capital चाहिए, chemical fertilizer, chemical manures. ये सब हमारे हो गया working capital. Pulses and wheat. एक ग्राफ बनाएंगे, टाइम सीरीज ग्राफ, करेक्ट है. उसमें ये ईयर नीचे लिखेंगे और इसको हम दो जगह से देखेंगे, ठीक है. Just here, one more question which is left. Will the land sustain? Sustain means can be used for many years. Will it has its own fertility with it or not? My answer is no. The land will not sustain because it is a natural resource. We have to very carefully use it. But the modern method, what we are using it, excess water through the tube well is being taken out. Land is losing its fertility because we are using chemical fertilizer and chemical manures. So in many areas where green revolution has been started, especially if I move to Haryana and Punjab, you see the soil has lost its fertility. Why? Because we are using more of chemical fertilizer and chemical manures. As we are using tube well for irrigation, so continuously we are using groundwater, and always it comes in the news, underground water level has reduced. We have reduced the water table. We are responsible. We see technology has developed. We are increasing the production, but we are also responsible for such things which happens, that is reducing the underground water table, for reducing the fertility of the soil, correct? The environmental resource, like fertility of the soil or the underground water level to come back to its own level or the position takes many, many years, many thousands and thousands of years. Very easy for us to destroy, but very difficult to restore. We have to take care of the environment because we want to develop the agriculture. Same is the case with the petrol and diesel. We all are buying two-wheeler and four-wheeler, but we don't know when this petrol will be exhausted and we will not have this fossil fuel with us because we can't make it. It takes thousands and thousands of years to be there. After that only we can get it. So we have to use this very clearly and we have to be very careful with it. Now just see here. There's one more fill in the blanks given. This you will try and we will go with this for the next session.